Drone Clone Experts Incorporated. Press Prepare to Fly, which will bring you to the screen. Now press Calibrate and follow the on-screen instructions. Once calibration is complete, the drone will begin searching for GPS satellites on its own. Notice on the remote's display, the number of satellites keeps rising. Once you gain over 8 to 10 satellites, you'll enter GPS mode, which means the signal is now strong enough to take flight with GPS activated. Please be careful never to fly out of GPS mode, otherwise the return to home failsafes won't work. This is very important to ensure you never lose your drone. To confirm you're in GPS mode, simply check your remote display. If it says Mode 2, you're good to go. Aircraft unlocking. To unlock the aircraft and start the propellers, simply push the joysticks down and to the right or down and to the left. Limitless 2 has incredible built-in failsafes. When in GPS mode, the drone will return on its own upon reaching critically low battery, or if it ever loses signal. It will also return home whenever the Return to Home button is pressed. Connect to the drone's built-in Wi-Fi network. You can either scan the code or go to your App Store and enter HFun Pro. Next, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Find the drone's network and connect. Finally, open the HFun Pro app and get ready, because you're about to experience the world from above.
Hello everyone, my name is Louie with GoHawk and I'm here to do an unboxing and review for you guys on our AN4X and our AN4QX motorcycle speakers. We offer both speakers in chrome and in black. The difference between the two is that the QX has 4 speakers and the X just has 2. But for today, we are going to be unboxing the QX speakers. Now, let's open the box. When you first open your box, you're going to get a user manual, two sets of clamps and grips, screws for those clamps, and a wired control mounter for your handlebars. You're also going to get an aux cord, a wired control, the front panel, the part that goes into the main unit, and a power cord. The master speaker. Notice the wires on the master speaker. For speaker 1, speaker 2, and the third speaker. You're going to connect your power cable to this, your aux, and the wired control. A slave speaker. Now, how to mount your brackets. You're going to want to grab the bigger part of the bracket and mount the loop to the front side of the speaker. You're going to want to grab the smaller screws, put them into the 4 holes. Then you're going to want to grab the second part of the clamp, attach it to the mount, and put the screw in from the front. Now your speaker should be mounted. So now, time to connect your speakers. Go ahead and start plugging in your slave speakers in no particular order. Go ahead and find your wired control and connect it to the RE port. Go ahead and get your power cable, connect this to the master. Now grab the negative and positive, connect the red with the positive and the black with the negative. Now go ahead and grab your wired control. Press and hold the top button.
Bluetooth.
Go ahead and hit the top button again to change the mode.
Auxiliary input. Bluetooth.
Now when in Bluetooth mode, go ahead and go to your phone, Bluetooth, and connect to your speaker.
Bluetooth is connected.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This concludes the unboxing and review. For any questions or inquiries, feel free to reach us on our website at goldenhawkusa.com and feel free to call us for any questions. Have a good one.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.